Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2020 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS 1LE. Powering this coupe is a 6.2 liter V8 engine cranking out 455 horsepower and 455 pound-feet of torque, all paired to a 6-speed manual transmission. Moving to the back of the vehicle, you have large 20-inch wheels with red 1LE brake calipers. You also have this nice rear lip spoiler, and opening up the trunk reveals lots of cargo space. Moving up to the interior, you have memory function for your driver's seat, power adjustable mirrors and windows, the BOSE premium sound system, Camaro badging on the door sill. Up on the dash is your heads-up display. You have a heated steering wheel with your cruise control, favorite options, display controls, hands-free audio, as well as paddles for your active rev matching. This Camaro has just 23,788 kilometers currently. You have a digital rear view mirror, a large infotainment unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready to go, heated and cooled front seats, as well as dual zone automatic climate controls, the shift knob for your 6-speed manual. These seats are made by Recaro and are leather and cloth, as well as power adjustable. You also have access to rear seats. If you would like to see this 2020 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS 1LE in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.